I'm posting a video today showing how to install the new handle on your Marini glass chopper. Begin by cleaning the top and front of the cutting arm with alcohol or some other cleaning solvent. The new handle comes with double-sided 3M VHB tape already installed. This tape is used widely in automotive and outdoor applications and has a very strong adhesive. Use a toothpick or some other tool to remove the backing from the tape. You can see here in the video I'm using an X-Acto knife, but I would advise against it. Once the protective backing is removed from both sides of the chopper handle, align the handle with the cutting arm and press into place. Be sure to press the handle in both the downward and rearward directions to ensure good adhesion. Give the adhesive a moment to set, and you should be able to go right into using your new handle. If you already have a chopper and just need a handle, reach out to Paula at Colors for Earth. I'll provide a link when I post the video. Thank you, and have a good day.